You're in New Jersey. I don't know how to open this now. We are gonna hack up some schnitzel today using some Trader Joe's stuff. So I've never made this before and I don't really know how it's gonna come out, but our coworker Chevy's husband, Mike, makes it and he says it's really good and I like them. So I'm gonna trust them and we'll see how it goes. So the recipe is half Trader Joe's falafel mix and half panko breadcrumbs. So instead of like mixing breadcrumbs up with any seasoning, you're just using half falafel mix, or I think, so they're telling me. One trick that I like doing when I'm making any kind of like schnitzel is I ask my butcher for thin cut chicken cutlets. If you go to a butcher, you can ask them for this. These panko breadcrumbs are not from Trader Joe's. Don't tell Trader Joe's. They're just what I had in my house. They're from Whole Foods. So I'm gonna do right now about a cup of panko, and then I'm gonna do about a cup of this falafel mix. What Chevy told me is that if you do all falafel mix, it's like way too strong. So that's why you cut it with panko. I also think the panko probably makes it crispier, but we'll see. They say that the trick when you're breading anything, if you're like breading eggplant or zucchini or chicken, that you keep one hand wet and one hand dry. This way you're not like breading your own fingers, but I can never do that and I do end up breading my fingers every time, right? So then I'm supposed to like turn it with this, right? See, I don't know. I can't ever do it the right way, but I'm gonna try. Ready to go. I think this is ready to go. Okay, so we're just gonna fry this. There we go. Don't crowd your pan. So these are pretty big pieces. I'm just gonna do 2 at a time. All right, so now I'm gonna flip it because I can see it's starting to cook up and it's nice and golden. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. And I'm not gonna put this on a paper towel on a plate, which I know people like to do, but they're wrong. Because then if you put anything fried like latkes or schnitzel or eggplant, fried eggplant or eggplant parm, if you put it on a paper towel on a plate, then you're just like sitting in its own pool of oil and it won't stay crispy. It will kind of like get soggy on the bottom. And you know, no one likes soggy bottoms. So, okay, I'm letting that excess drip off. The other key whenever you're frying something is actually, and in this case, I'm not going to salt it too much because I don't know how salty that falafel mix is, but I am going to salt it just a little bit while it's still hot, and that kind of like really brings out the flavor. It's very crispy. It sounds crispy, right? I'm going to use my hands. I hate me eating on video. It's really good. It's very crispy and it's really not overwhelming. The flavor, it doesn't taste too salty at all to me. That's awesome. Winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, literally.